Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing the proper break-in process on my Central Pneumatic 21-gallon air compressor. So the process in doing this is you already fill it with your oil up to the indicator mark, and then you're going to run it for 30 minutes with the valve on the bottom open, so it will do the running for 30 minutes, and then it'll get the oil nice and hot, and it will also clean up the insides of this from all the factory oils. And then you're gonna remove this little plug right here, drain out the warm oil, and it's gonna flow, or it's gonna push out all of the old stuff, all of the metal shavings, anything that was left in the crankcase that we don't want in there. And then we're just going to go ahead and add in our oil again and leave it at that. I will be talking about, if you haven't done this and you didn't know this was a thing, and that would be in my dad's case, I will tell you about that after I get this one done, so just stay tuned. This air compressor right here is my dad's air compressor. He didn't know there was a break-in process for it, and we've been running air ratchets on it, nail guns on it, all sorts of air stuff. It's been ran for probably a good, I want to say 3 years now. He never knew there was a break-in process, so what I'm going to do is run this for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to drain all the old oil out, put in new oil, and then I'm going to run it for about 10 minutes, drain out all that oil to make sure everything is out of this, and then I'm going to put in new oil and let it be.